some decisions had to be made to keep this course as focused as possible. Be aware that I decided to tailor this course for Windows users new to Jenkins. However, all the principles and most of the examples will work equally as well with a few minor tweaks. Since Jenkins uses local tools, those installations and usage would be specific to a given operating system. Also, this course focuses on a Java technology stack using Maven as the build management tool and deploying to the Apache Tomcat server. While Jenkins supports many languages, technology stacks, and deployment systems, Jenkins really excels with Maven projects. For source control, I decided to use Git, and by extension, the GitHub service, since Git is currently the most popular source control system available. If you use another source control management tool, that's okay. Jenkins likely has a plugin to add support for that tool. Finally, I decided on a very simple Jenkins setup. While Jenkins can be highly distributed, I kept things easy to understand and to follow along with by running everything on the same system. This allows for a simplified and complete build system all the way through project deployment. The approach I take in teaching this course is to give just enough theory to understand the critical concepts and what's going on. This course starts with core concepts, which is a high-level overview, and each of those concepts are more and more reinforced during the practical examples sections of this course. Within those examples, or screencasting demos, I walk through each step one at a time. With the screencast, I also provide each command or action in a reference guide that can be downloaded. All this is to keep the course focused and compact since I know many people have busy lives. Most of the videos are short and focused so you can jump directly to the topic you are most interested in. Additionally, I provide links to more information or other courses I have in my bonus section for students that wish to go deeper or explore related topics. With all that, I want you to pause the video lessons so that you can do the examples or follow along in order to get the most out of this course. Additionally, I provide the complete source for all the projects on GitHub and a listing of all the commands used throughout the course.